Welcome to my filming room. This is where I go whenever I have little projects I need to get done for videos. So, I'm making space because, hang on. Okay, my peace lily. So, today, oh, did you hear my knees? This bird of paradise needs some fresh something. So I'm gonna take care of it today because tomorrow I am so excited. I'm taking it to my sister's new apartment to liven it up a little bit. We'll be thrifting, going out to different little places to find plants, home stuff, to really settle in, I guess. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're both really excited to be doing that, and this bird of paradise is going to be a lot happier at her house. She has 2 huge windows. It's just fun when plants are happy, you know? So I think this is what has to happen to get like what it needs care-wise. I've been kind of on a downsizing kick lately. What is that? There's like sponge in here. What the heck is sponge doing in there? What is it? I do think I really want to pull this out of the pot. Yes, but how am I going to do that? Because it is a big plant. Oh, my potting mat. I have a feeling this is going to be pretty root bound, probably underwatered. Oh no, sorry Biz. Oh, there's a pretty fat root sticking out of the bottom here. This is a hard one to do in such a small room. This is some freaking yoga. Okay. Oh, nice. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna pull off all of these yellow sheath things. I'm just tearing off. Yeah. Okay, that one was hard. I'm honestly not super comfortable with peat moss as a substrate, so I've never used it. I don't have a lot of experience with it. And it's also like super destructive to like boglands where it comes from, I guess. So I've just always personally avoided it. I don't have a whole lot of experience with it. I think there's probably problems with whatever we decide to use, but we've all just gotta decide for ourselves, I guess. And peat moss is one I've just always avoided. Although I know there's issues with other substrates also. I'm gonna break up the roots a little bit. Sometimes when they're root bound like this, it helps if you stress them a little bit. And then also give them a little space to regrow. This is super freaking satisfying. Finally taking care of this plant after it's been bothering me for so long, and like, oh, I just know it's gonna do so much better at my sister's house. This is very freeing, honestly, in a way. Like, I feel so much better already. So I can't even imagine how good I'm gonna feel tomorrow when I see it all happy with its new home. And I think it'll help make my sister feel happy too. Yay. Wow, I'm really scrubbing these roots a lot more than I thought I would, but although I think I should be done because that root ball is loosened. A lot of the areas where it was super compacted, I was able to break through, but anymore, and I think it's gonna fall apart. So, okay. Whatever. We're just gonna put it right here. Yeah. I do think I'm gonna wipe down the inside of this really quick, just with water. Maybe I should have grabbed a little dish soap. It's fine though. Move, Biz. Move, Biz. Come here. I mistakenly didn't hit record, so didn't film myself potting this plant up, but have no fear, I've had a change of plans. Here's my new plan. I'm glad I unpotted it so I won't have to take like all of this mess to my sister's house, and I'll have more of a like exact amount of substrate I'm going to need. When I transport the plant tomorrow, I'm going to unpot the plant, like wrap the roots up in a towel or something, and then take this tote with like almost the exact amount of what I pull out of here when I pull the plant out. You get what I'm saying? I'm also thinking bringing some different like stones and pebbles and like top dressing to put on top so we can kind of see what color my sister wants. I just want it to look the best it can look. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, that wasn't even Biz. But I did take off a lot of substrate that I personally don't love keeping my plants in, so it was not for not. Nigh? What's the saying? Not for naught. I'm gonna give this a really good watering to hopefully moisturize these babies up for their journey tomorrow. Wow, those are some really thick roots. I definitely need to pot it lower into the pot tomorrow. So definitely gonna keep that in mind. Ooh, I love having little projects like this. This is so fun. This is the funnest part of plant keeping. Like, collecting is fun to an extent, but only if you have the space to do it. But really obsessing over all the little details of it is so much fun. So fun. That settles that. I'm gonna come back to this in the morning. This may not be the right process, but it's my process. Because sometimes I don't think straight. It's pretty gloomy out. Oh, I love chickens. Anyway, on these extra cold, super rainy days like today, I like to make them little treats. And let's go give my chickens a snack. And then I think later tonight we're going to I love those little guys. They're so cute and funny and have their individual little personalities. So move some stuff around in the living room so that we can put up our Christmas tree. This is probably the earliest we've ever put it up, honestly.
What?
Nothing.
Why are you looking at that?
I'm just waiting for this to be done.
What are you making?
A treat for my chickens. What? What's that face for?
Man, I wish I was one of your chickens. Okay.
Yeah.
Must be nice.
But that's
It's been really rainy and cold. It makes me not want to come outside, so it makes me feel bad for my chickens. They're fine. They're fine. Their internal body temperature is 107 degrees. They're fine. But I still feel bad. So I make them little warm treats on like extra gloomy cold days like today. So I made them some oatmeal with red pepper flakes and avian health shake, which just has a plethora of good things in it for them. They've been molting. They're at like the tail end of molting. Like their feathers are starting to grow back. I just feel like they need a little extra something lately to help them through this difficult time. so they all look a little weird right now. Hairless, featherless. Oh, I love them. Look at that hair. Been keeping a close watch on Kitty because she's actually been having a rough time this molt season, but she is looking a lot better. She is pretty pale though. 2 eggs today. Okay, hold them very careful while I take off my stuff.
One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Hello and welcome to my half office / half plant room. We got a lot of plants in here, and this is a place I love to spend time and to thank God because I do spend a lot of time in here. Lots of time editing. How's it going? Editing time. I know who I want to break me up. Yeah, that song. I'm getting ready to edit tomorrow's video. My schedule is a little crunched, so I usually edit the day before a video goes up, which is why it's usually up later in the day. You know, I'm really on top of it if my uploads come earlier in the day. That means I'm like ahead a little bit. But I really enjoy editing. It's like my quiet, creative time, my most like stress-free time other than the time crunch. So I quite enjoy it. Let me get this titled. I can't type and think at the same time. What do I want to call it? 1120 vlog. I got a lot of stuff done today. I felt very productive. It was just a good day. And I love when my plants are happy. It's getting pretty late. Well, okay, it also gets dark really. Oh my gosh, it's only 3 o'clock. It is getting so dark, so freaking early these days. We're almost there. We are almost to the deepest depths of winter. It's coming. It's coming. It's getting dark so early these days. It's a little suspicious. Oh, my chair's so squeaky. This mic picks up too much information, picks it up almost too good. Can you hear my ankles cracking? Can you? Listen. Oh. Makes me self-conscious. I actually think we're gonna eat dinner and then set up the Christmas tree. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat some dinner, make dinner, eat dinner, and put up a Christmas tree. I haven't been this excited to put up a Christmas tree since I was like a tiny little kid. Because I also used to be kind of afraid of Christmas, or at least Santa. So I kind of dreaded it, but not anymore because I'm an adult. Anyway, kids just make everything so fun and also no fun at all. I think this is the most excited I've ever been to put up our tree. Last year we put it right here behind the couch and I really liked that. Ryan really liked that. It fits good there. So I need to move this stuff over here. I'm actually kind of excited to move the terrarium to a new spot. Kai's feeling really excited about the tree.
We building a Christmas tree. Okay, stop.
All right. Good job. Woo!
Dad, we almost got the star.
Kai, you want to come plug it in?
I'm ready, Mom.
3, 2, 1.
Woo! Yeah.
Use the hook. Put it on.
The hanky. I can put it right there. And I got this on. There we go, Mom.
Here, go put this.
Let's do this one. Okay. Oh, that's silly.
For the rest of these not those. Dude, I don't know the last time I watched this movie.
A long time.
And a Christmas tree.
Okay.
Yeah, me too.
I wish I had some water. Oh, I do. That's it for this one. I'll see you in my next one.